Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a product review of a VR accessory for your MetaQuest 2 headset. This one we're looking at a facial interface by Kiwi Design. These are the upgraded versions made for fitness and if you just want a little bit more comfort. On Amazon.com they're on sale right now for $35.99. On the Kiwi website they are $46.99 and on Amazon.ca they are $49.99. I will link all those below so you can check them all out and see which one has the cheapest option at the time when you are watching this one. So in this video we are going to unbox them. I will show you how to put them on, and then after I've used them for a little bit I will give you my review and let you know what I think about them. So let's jump into it. Alright, here's the box that came in the mail. Nice classic Kiwi Design box, as we all love and know. I've already cut that open there, so let's pop it open. See what we have inside. Looks like we have a nice lens covering there. Here's the user manual. Here's your clip-in part. Looks like it has little shaders there to block the light from around your nose, which is nice. And let's open these up, what we really came to look for. There's one, and there's two, and there's three. We open up the user manual here. We got the facial bracket and nose guard, glasses spacer, lens protector, sport foam pad, and leather foam pad. Oh, so you have more of a leather. So this one here is your sport foam pad, and these two are your leather. And they are meant to be the same, as it shows in here. So to install it, all we need to do is choose the one that we want to use. I like the feel of this fabric one here, and all you need to do is just line it up in the middle and press it in. And once you got it lined up there where you want it, grab your headset. I've got the Kiwi battery head strap on it right now. I had lens covers on there as well. And we'll just take this in and insert it here. There we go. It's in. We're good to go. So I'm going to use this a little bit here, and then I will use each of them, both the leather and the sport one, and then come back and give you my review on them. So after using this facial interface here's my pros and cons list. Pros, I really like the light blocker that's around the nose, and this is new to the 2.0 version. Makes for a more immersive experience. I like that it comes with more than just one facial interface there. It comes with 3 of them. The sports fabric one is very breathable, so it reduces the fogging up in the lenses and it increases that air circulation, and it is machine washable. It comes with the special glasses spacer. That's also new to the 2.0 version. Make sure that you take that off when you receive it because it is attached to that facial interface when you receive it. I didn't realize that at first. And it comes with a bonus lens protector, and that's valued at $10 as well from the Kiwi store. For cons, the price is a little bit high in my opinion. But if you're into the fitness apps or into apps where you're moving a lot and you want more breathable material that is still comfortable, this is a great product for that. I will definitely be keeping this on my Quest 2 and using this one. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, please do so. I will link those below. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will link them, the Amazon links, and directly to the Kiwi store below as well. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.